Do you know how to protect your design? Where do you want to protect it? What are your product indications?
Hello, I'd like to register my design. What should I do?
To protect your design, it has to be new and has to have individual character. Secondly, if you want, you can consult the National Design Database, or for example, Design View Database, where you can find previously registered and published national, community and international designs. But you need to know that previous designs can be checked against yours to see its novelty or individual character. Thirdly, remember that the protection of your design only applies to the country or region where your design has been registered.
What should I do next?
In the European Union, there are unregistered design rights and registered design rights. An unregistered right only protects if someone copied your design. It's valid for 3 years from the date of the first disclosure in the European Union. To help you in those sorts of cases, you should keep documentation showing the disclosure of the design. Make sure all the documents are dated. If you want to register your design, you can file an application online via our website, or you can print out and complete the paper form, which is also available on our website. A design application can be single or multiple. In principle, the designs of a multiple application have to belong to the same class of the Locarno classification. Each element within a multiple application has a separate registration number when it is registered.
What kind of information do I need to include in the application?
You will need your name, address and contact details, a graphical representation of your design, which means that we need clear, sharp images of what you actually want to register. This may take the form of photographs or drawings with a neutral background, and an indication as to what the design refers to.
Can I apply using my name or the name of my company?
You can file an application in the name of a person or in the name of a company. It's important to know that the design will be registered in the name of the applicant.
Do I need a legal representative?
You don't need to use a legal representative when you file an application, but if you choose to have a representative, the representative should be a professional who is qualified to represent third parties in design matters according to national law. The office cannot recommend any particular agent.
Where can I find the classification of product indications?
To specify the product indications to which the design refers, you can consult the Locarno classification list on our website or search in the design class database.
How long does the protection last?
Design registration is for a maximum of 25 years. But when a design is registered, it is protected initially for 5 years. It can then be renewed for further periods of 5 years at a time, up to the maximum of 25 years.
How long does it take to register my design?
When you file an application, it has to be examined. You can also request a deferment. In other words, the publication of the registration of your designs can be delayed up to 30 months. This is to allow the owner of the design time to approach manufacturers or producers of the product, while still having the details of the design confidential. A design, if registered, is protected from the date of filing. There may be delays processing your application if further clarification or amendment is required. The registered design will then be published in the official journal.
How much does it cost?
There is a fee for an application to register a single design. In the case of a multiple application, there is an extra fee per design. If you want to renew your design, you have to pay a specific renewal fee. You can consult related fees and the methods of payment on our website. In general, fees are not refundable. Be careful of misleading invoices from third parties. If you have any doubts about requests for payment, please contact our office.
Do you think that this registration is necessary?
There is no obligation to register your design, but if you do register your design, you're obtaining exclusive rights to it, and also the right to sell, lease or license it to others. It also shows that you've taken the steps to protect your intellectual property rights. Remember, create a novel design with individual character. Decide on your product indications. Decide where you want to register. Apply for design registration. Pay the fees. If you need more information, please consult our website.